Today is our flight going back to the Philippines. So our flight is 8:40 in the morning. So time check now is 5:40. We're here in the airport. We will check in our luggage, then we will eat some food because we prepare early for this flight. So I just wear this jacket and t-shirt inside because later as we go, because we landed in the Philippines, so I'll just wear my t-shirt because it's not so cold. So first things first, we need to check our luggage, then we can do other stuff because the line is so the line is a little bit long.
At the next place, 2 minutes after leaving.
So down below, immigration. Yep. So there are a lot of people here because of early flight, but then we pass over the immigration going to our boarding gate. No breakfast yet. So since our boarding gate is almost 6, I think, so we need to ride a train to go to our gate. Finally going to our boarding gate. Closer to our boarding gate. Waiting here at the boarding gate. Make it open. Since I'm vlogging, so my seat area is near the window.
Ang lipad na ito'y pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Reyes sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Kamaas at 45 minuto.
So let's see how many minutes more. We're already landed in the Philippines. Finally landed in the Philippines. Finally, we are safe landed in the Philippines. Thank you for being with us in our journey to Korea up until we came back here in the Philippines. Salamat. Natin kalimutan, lagi natin tandaan, baby Jesus.